Hi everybody, I hope you're well. This is Roubina Khodadin, artist, healer and spiritual guide. Creativity is a little bit like this alleyway. It's once you take a step, you never know where it can bring you, and usually it always brings you in really high places, high as in beautiful places, because the creative mind is the other side of the mind. One side of the mind, typically we would say it's the rational, logical mind that only believes what it sees, and then there's the other side of the mind which is linked with our imagination. So that's why, for instance, little kids, they are very much in tune with their irrational mind or imaginative side before they learn this and they learn that and they learn about dangers in life, etc. So nourishing our creative mind is making little steps in our day to nourish that part of the mind which is imaginative. So how can we do that? It can be in simple ways, as when you're cooking, or you're putting your you've cooked and you're putting your food on the plate. Maybe instead of just sticking it there, you can make it in a nice way. Of course, creativity implies a sort of beauty, but it is subjective. It's not beauty as in, you know, what is beautiful art, what is beautiful scenery. It's about how me, with the part of me which is not the sort of rational and stuck with one sort of image, how this other side of me can put a sort of beauty. And as we're doing this, we're touching our more spiritual side, because the spiritual part of us, in a way, which is linked with other dimensions, which is linked to God, which is linked to however you want to call the energy which is beyond our physical body. It's difficult to kind of get access to that energy unless we accept that there is an energy which is not so much explainable, which is not rational. So how you can nourish your creativity, you know, I said about putting your food on the plate. Maybe take a pen, and whenever you are angry, let's say, just scribble on a piece of paper. And maybe next time you're angry, take colors and scribble on a piece of paper. And then the next time, you know, use a paintbrush and get your creativity a bit further out, further expressive, because creativity is about expression, and expression can very much go from our emotions. So this is something you can actually take advantage of when you've got strong emotions, to get out a creative side of you. That's how you can do that in simple ways. So make sure you like this video and go and look at some of my other videos, because you'll see that in most of my videos I do encourage you to bring a part of you. So I give you tools, but then I'm always telling you, see how you can put this into practice, see what that says to you, how that speaks to you. So creativity is about letting one part of us, which is maybe a part of us that we don't know very well, or a part of us that is more hidden, leave it out in the air. And in the air, it doesn't mean in the face of other people. It doesn't mean that you have to create a YouTube channel to be creative. It means me, with myself and with the power of my mind and my heart, I pour out something spontaneously. And as you're doing that, you're also linking up a little bit more with your soul. So do book a consultation with me if you need guidance, healing and all that. Otherwise, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell if you haven't done so yet, so that you can get posted when I post a video. So let me know in the comment section, how is it that today this morning or this evening you've decided to put your creativity in play, what will you be doing? Is it when you're making your food? Is it when you're whatever? Is it when you're planting? How will you be creative a tiny little bit today? Have a good day, have a good evening, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.